So I'm going back and add another taco into this oil. I cut my video off, slide it in there, and it comes up pretty quick. And then I'm gonna put a little oil, just keep feeding that oil on top of it. That helps cook it a little bit. I don't know what it's doing. This is what the directions told me to do. And it's about, I think, 3 minutes on each side. And I'm gonna turn it. This is the tricky part of trying to get it turned, and that always happens. So this is just gonna be a flat one. I'll try to give them to curve. They don't always like to curve. So I think the last one curved a little bit because I cooked one right before I came back on. And I'm gonna try another one and see if it'll do it here in a minute. And these are the Puffy Tacos. These are the Puffy Tacos, and they are so yummy. So yummy. And I'm gonna drain this and take it out of the oil. And put that over there. And I got one left. I'm gonna flip this now. This is letting me mold it a little bit. I think I let the other one stay too long, but this one is letting me mold it. A little different than the other one did. Okay, turn off my oil because I only did 3. And then we're going to take this out. I need a better system of removing it. But you get the gist of it. That's all I'm trying to show. And I'm going to let these cool a bit. Move this off the eye. Clean up my mess a little bit. And so I need to heat my meat up, which I didn't do. Oh, shame on me. It's going to take just a few minutes to heat my meat while I'm getting everything else ready. Sorry about that. Let me see, can I move my camera a little bit? Let me see. Well, I can't, so just gonna leave it here. Here are my tacos that I just made while this meat is warming up. Sorry about the adjustments on the phone, but I wanted to show you that. Here they are, they're draining. And cool enough for me to handle. So I'm gonna get one here. Make it. Get my sour cream over here. That's that one. Here is my taco meat. So I'm going to use my spoon here. Fill some taco meat in there. Add some cheese. I was intending to put my rice down first, but I can just add some rice on it here because I definitely wanted some rice. And put some in. This is some cilantro rice. And then I have my, I'm gonna use my hand, just put that in there. A little bit of my pico gallo, which is tomatoes, onion, all that good stuff. Add a little lettuce. And then I'm gonna add some sour cream. And then I'm gonna add some cilantro on top. Put all this goodness on the plate, on the taco. Now this is, let me see, can I get you in a brighter light? This is the Puffy Taco. It is so yummy. And I'm gonna try to take a bite, but I don't want you to look at me too hard because, yeah. So let me take a bite of this so you can hear the crunch, because I want you to hear the crunch. And this is why it's called a Puffy Taco. Can you hear it crunch? It's so good. And I'm trying to be polite when I eat it, so I don't just look like a hog getting in here trying to get a bite. I'm gonna try another bite. So good. So anyway, that has been my Puffy Taco creation that I've done. These are all my trimmings to put inside the taco. And taco meat, cilantro rice, lettuce, cheese, pico de gallo, and some fresh cilantro and sour cream. It's real easy to make. You just take your corn flour mix and some water, get your dough, get it kneaded up real good, and roll them into some balls like I showed you earlier, right here. Let them sit a minimum of 30 minutes. And then you roll them over here on this, between two pieces of plastic, you roll them out. And then you deep fry them like this, and then you make your tacos. And that's all it is. All right. enjoy this Puffy Taco. Thank you so much for watching. Again, please like and subscribe to my channel. I will appreciate it very much. Thank you very much.